Hello everyone, I hope you're keeping safe. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about this competition we all want you to have a go at. To bring any idea to life, you've got to be able to use your imagination. And things like art is really, really good for that. It's almost like exercising a creative muscle, except it's a muscle you can't see, it's in your brain. This competition will allow you to draw, paint, or use collage. Collage is where you're cutting up pictures and things to create a picture, to create an imaginary place, somewhere that fights the boredom of what's been going on with lockdown. I need the picture to be interesting and exciting, and somewhere that means something only to you. It doesn't have to mean something to us. It can be as crazy as you like, colourful, bright, could even be dark and scary. It's up to you, but it's all from your imagination. And remember what I said earlier, imagination is a creative muscle. Okay, I'll show you mine. This is what I've done. It's basically a front room. I've done in a crazy way. I've looked for things around the house. That's Henry Hoover. This is meant to be me. If you look at that head, it's definitely me. These are different coloured mountains, and I've got the earth in the background. It's like being on another planet. Can I explain it? No, it's from my imagination, and I want you to create something crazier than that. Okay, best of luck, stay safe, miss you all, looking forward to seeing you soon. Okay, bye bye.
Here we stand, like an adamant waterfall, Garden of Eden, truth was enough, so beautiful and strong, birds in the trees are smiling upon them, from the age of the dinosaurs, 'cause we're run on gasoline. Where have they gone now? It's nothing but flowers. There was a factory, now there are mountains and rivers. You got it, we caught a rattlesnake, now we got something for dinner. You got it, there was a shopping mall. But with flowers, you got it. If this is paradise, I wish I had a lawnmower. You got it. Years ago, I was an angry young man.
You can contact any of the progress team by using the email addresses below.
And I was a billboard, standing tall by the side of the road. I fell in love with the beautiful highway. This used to be real estate, now it's only free